Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yes, I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I will create my version of the viral cold girl makeup look. I'm wearing my fleece headband, so let's get started. First, let's do some quick skin prep. I will use BioAqua Brightening and Exfoliating Rice Gel Face Scrub. This has natural botanical products such as rice, orange, aloe vera, and glycerin. Jelly-like fine rice particles that make the skin bright and clean. Orange extracts help cleanse dirt and oil on skin. Aloe vera extracts help improve skin texture and glycerin to moisturize and hydrate skin. Now all these ingredients helps to keep the skin in a good state all day. Just scoop the product and smear it evenly all over the face. Works best on dry skin. Massage the product in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes until dead skin and dirt form on the skin surface. This gently removes dead skin cells without causing irritation and allergies. Restores skin beauty, health, and radiance. Wash the face thoroughly, and I'll follow this with my current basic skincare routine, which is just using a cleanser and a toner for now. Then I will follow this with a sheet mask. Next up, I will apply two sheet masks. The first one will be an anti-wrinkle eye mask, and then on top of that, I will use the aloe vera face sheet mask. Now, both of these are really good for the moisturizing and hydrating effects. I'm applying the Hexapeptide Golden Honeycomb Tender Eye Mask. This claims to help tighten the eye contour, improve dark circles under the eyes, and improve fine lines around the eyes. It contains hexapeptide gold and other skincare ingredients to replenish moisture to the skin around the eyes, help improve dryness and dehydration around the eyes, and makes the skin around the eyes elastic and plump and show a youthful glow. This boasts of two layers. The outer layer of honeycomb gold film locks in the serum, and the inner layer is made of soft carbon black film, which cleanses deeply. So easy to apply and can be used in any season. On top of the eye mask, I will apply the aloe vera face sheet mask. This has aloe vera extract and vitamins, which has a good moisturizing effect on the skin, leaving the skin smooth, soft, and supple. I will leave both the masks on for 20 minutes. For the lips, I will use this Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosey Mini. Made with Vaseline jelly, it helps heal and prevent dry lips by locking in moisture. It provides long-lasting moisturization while adding a light rosy fragrance and color to your lips. Okay, so 20 minutes are up. Just remove the sheet masks and pat the remainder of the serum into your skin. Be gentle and pat until your skin has absorbed most of the serum. I will then apply a little of the moisturizer and finish it off by applying the Dr.Rashel Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Day Cream, which contains niacinamide. Now this has collagen, which gives your skin a burst of energy. This creamy proprietary daily moisturizer is a powerhouse antioxidant known for brightening skin tone and diminishing signs of sun damage like dark spots, sunspots, age spots, and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is known to boost skin's natural sun protection, refine skin texture, and fade the look of fine lines and wrinkles, giving skin a radiant, healthy, and glowing appearance. Next, I will apply the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, which is a 24K gold-infused beauty oil. I will mix this with the Farsali Liquid Glass Serum that promises to deliver long-lasting dewy skin. I will apply this somewhat generously and leave it for the skin to absorb the magic. Next, I will apply the All Matte Invisible Pore Face Primer, which minimizes facial pores for a smooth, moisturizing, flawless finish. This claims to be smooth, mattifying, invisible pore primer, which instantly fills in and blurs imperfections for silky soft skin. This satiny, non-oily formula evens out skin texture by minimizing pores, wrinkles, and fine lines. Skin looks resurfaced and perfectly smooth for a flawless makeup all day long. Just smooth evenly all over the face with the finger and press it in gently. I will give it 2 minutes and then I will apply the concealer. For concealer, I will apply the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. This is in the shade 06 Neutralizer. Just twist the sponge applicator in direction of arrows until the concealer is visible on the sponge. I will apply the concealer directly to the under eye area as well as on the dark spots. Using a damp beauty blender, I will blend the concealer very well. Next, I will apply Lark Matte Color Foundation. This is in the shade Ivory 01. On the packaging, it's written, with such an airlight and smooth texture, it can decorate your beauty face easily. At the same time, it will cover the pore and micro groove perfectly for keeping your vivid, fresh makeup. Containing active water factor, which can create moisture film for protecting your wonderful, long-lasting, tender makeup all the time. Now I apply all over the face using a flat foundation brush. This side for the face and this side for the hard to reach areas of the face. Apply the foundation starting in the middle of the face, working outwards towards the hairline. Use long and short strokes to cover the entire face and eliminate any streaks. And then using a damp beauty blender to even it all out. I will use this mini trio of colorful and vibrant eyeshadows. I will swatch the shades. Now there are 2 metallic shades and there's 1 matte shade. This is a very cool toned light medium fuchsia with a metallic finish. Swatch number 2, this is a neutral toned medium dark red with a metallic finish. Now the textures of both these eyeshadows very smooth and velvety. Swatch number 3, now this is a slightly warm toned medium dark red with a matte finish. This did not have good color payoff as the other 2 eyeshadows. Now I will use a brush and dip it into the metallic pink shade and apply it all over the crease area, but focusing most of the eyeshadow in the outer half of the crease, and then bring it in towards the inner half for a nice blending. This will help define the eye shape, and then I will blend until the edges soften. Next, I'll be taking this 6 Crystal Powder palette from Beauty Queen. This is the palette number 2. Now it has these gorgeous highlighter shades. So I'm going to be using highlighter as my eyeshadow. Highlighter can also double as eyeshadow to create a glossy statement, making eye look that won't crease. To do so, take a bit of your favorite highlighter, gently pat it onto the center of your eyelid and a little bit into the inner corner of the eyes. Now the shimmer in the highlighter will reflect light and make the eyes pop. I will use the red matte and metallic eyeshadow to color my lower lash line midway. I quickly applied mascara, and I also only did a black wing part of the eyeliner. Next, I'll be using this cream blusher from Mikyajy for blush on the cheeks. This is in the shade 07, as you can see. It blends so beautifully, so smoothly, and is so creamy. For blush on the nose, I will use the Maybelline New York Master Glaze by Face Studio blush stick. This is in the shade Coral Sheen. This blush stick makes the skin go dewy and gently glazed with sheer blush color. Liquid Shimmer Pearls Shea Butter Glide provide blendable blush color and smooth, even application. Dots of blush provides instant illumination and the final flourish to your face. Choosing the perfect color for your skin tone is key to getting the look right. And I will not blend it into the under eye area. So I will keep the blush on the apples of my cheeks and the nose. To set the blush, I will be using this Blusher Balls Face Great Balls of Desire from Primark Beauty. Just swirl a powder brush over the pearls to get a perfect blend of all the pigments. Tap the brush to get rid of excess product and apply on your cheeks to set the blush. Next, I will use a baked blush from Sweet Cheeks. This is in the shade 01. This has an ultra soft velvety texture and gives your cheeks a very shiny and natural look. The Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. Let's dip into Fiji. I will use this to highlight the brow bone area as well as on top of the eyebrows. Dipping into Seychelles. Highlight the inner corners of my eyes, so I'm just doing that right now. Dipping into Zanzibar, I will highlight my lips, the high points of my cheeks, the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, the center of the forehead, and the middle of the chin. After the highlighter fest, I will use the setting powder to tone down all the shine. This is the Etude Real Loose Powder Oil-Free Transparent Makeup. This is in the shade Clear Ivory 01. Now this delivers a translucent and sheer result, very light and airy, and softens the highlighter to give me a matte finish. I will use this multi-purpose makeup brush. It has the S-shaped brush. Its densely packed bristles curve around the face to give an ultimate precision cleanup. Now the beautifully crafted handle offers a steady grip for the hand. I will remove the excess loose powder along the forehead, under the eyes, and jawline. The powder has mattified the look. Then I will use this berry-colored lip pencil to line my lips, and I'm going to fill it in with the lip glosses. Now these are the Mikyajy Liplites. These are soft, creamy lip gloss that moisturize the lips. These are super glossy and long lasting and smell amazing. These are great for flaunting a luscious, juicy pout. So I'll use all three shades. So I'm going to use this hairspray to set my eyebrows. And then using an eyebrow pencil, I will use the micro angle tip end to shape, define, and add in fine hair-like strokes. And then complete the brow look by using a spoolie to blend it all. To set it all, I will use this makeup setting spray from Avon. Just hold it slightly away from face and mist 2 to 4 times to help set the makeup. Let's change into our winter hat. To finish this look, I'll opt for this faux fur hat. This is a wolf-style multifunctional hat for the head, neck, and hands. This 3-in-1 style design hat keeps the head warm and features adorable ears. The paws have inserts that can be used as pockets, get it? To keep hands warm or conveniently stash goodies. The arms of the hat can be used as a scarf to keep the neck warm. Perfect multifunctional accessory to keep you warm all winter long. And we're done! So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, you know what to do. In case you don't know what to do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press that bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post. Leave a constructive comment and share this video. I know, it's a lot to do, but I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz, bye! Jazakallah khair, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. If you want to watch similar videos, please check out the playlist right here. Check it out.